Right. Today's match Naranpur versus Gumas. The first ball, start match. This is morning match. First match Naranpur versus Gumas match. So service goes to Naranpur player Suresh. Yes. Match is started. Naranpur versus Gumas match. Two teams, big teams and big players. Yes. Naranpur versus Guma. Naranpur captain Suresh and Gumas captain Chitos. Chito versus Suresh match. What a match. Yes, points 0-0. Naranpur team and Gumas team, good players, attacking players. What a match, first match. Naranpur versus Gumas match. This is home ground from Parlo Kimdi. Yes, point goes to Naranpur. 1-0, service goes to Naranpur player Suresh. Score 1-0. Naranpur points 1 and Gumas 0. What a match this afternoon. Guma versus Naranpur match. Yes. Naranpur points 1 and Gumas 0. What a match. Afternoon match. 1-0. Gumas captain Chito and Naranpur captain Suresh. Guma versus Naranpur match. Naranpur players Banu, Mohan, Suresh, Shulbul, Sanjay. Right, service goes to Gumas, captain Chito. 0-1 score. Score 0-1. Gumas 0. Naranpur 1 point. What a match this afternoon. First match. This is Parlo Kimdi home grounds. What a match. Two team players playing as well. Yes, Gumas players and Naranpur players. Right, service goes to Naranpur. Captain Suresh. 1-0 score. Yes, 1-0. Naranpur points 1. Gumas 0. Match is continue. Yes. This is big match, I think. Chito versus Suresh. Guma versus Naranpur. Naranpur points 1. Gumas 0. Service goes to Naranpur. 2-0 score. What a match this afternoon. Naranpur versus Gumas match. 2-0 score. Naranpur points 2. 0 Gumas. What a weather this afternoon. Good weather, good players, good game and good teams. Two teams players are playing as well. Naranpur players and Gumas players. Yes. What a match. 2-0. Service goes to Naranpur. 3-0 score. Service goes to Naranpur captain Suresh. 3-0 score. What a match. What a match. Naranpur points 3. Gumas 0. Match is running. Chito versus Suresh. What a shot by Banu. What a match this afternoon. Service goes to Gumas. 0-3 score. Yes. Two teams, 12 players. What a match this afternoon. This is first match. Guma versus Naranpur. Gumas points 0. Naranpur 3 points. Match is running. Gumas captain Chito and Naranpur captain Suresh. This is fight, good fight. Naranpur versus Gumas. Yes. Players are playing well. Naranpur players and Gumas players. Two team players playing as well. Right, service goes to Gumas. Captain Chitto, 2-5 score. Gumas 2 and Narayanpur 5. What a score. 5-2 score. Yes, Narayanpur versus Gumas match. 5-2 score. Narayanpur score 5 and Gumas 2. What a match. Afternoon match. Yes. This is Suresh versus Chitto's match. Gumas captain Chitto out. Right, service goes to Guma. Score 2-5. What a match this afternoon. Yes, home ground Parlo Kimdi. Guma versus Narayanpur match. Score 2-5. Service goes to Gumas. Two team players playing well. What a match. Yes. Narayanpur players and Gumas players. Two team players. Big players, I think. Yes, match is very effective match. Match is running. Service goes to Gumas. Two team players playing as well. Yes, total 12 players. Gumas and Narayanpur. Yes, score 2-5. Gumas 2 points, Narayanpur 5 points. What a shot by Chulbul. Yes. This is Daba volleyball from Parlo KMD grounds. What a match. Yes, Suresh versus Chitto's match. This is big fight, I think. What a match. Afternoon match. First match. 2-5 score. Gumas 2 and Narayanpur 5 score. Match is running. What a playing players. What a game. Yes. What a shot by Mohan. 5-2 score. Score 5-2. Match is running. What a match. Narayanpur versus Gumas. I ask you one question. Yes, who is the impact player? Narayanpur versus Gumas teams. 6 12 members, 12 players. Yes, who is the impact player? Yes, what a take and what a shot by Banu. Yes, match is running. Narayanpur players, Chulbul versus Banu. Yes, match is running. Very good game. This is Daba volleyball from Parlo KMD grounds. Match is Narayanpur versus Gumas. Narayanpur score 5. Gumas score 2. Narayanpur captain Suresh. Gumas Chittos. Yes, match is running. 5-2. What a game this afternoon. Good weather, good players, good team, good ground. Yes. What a match. Suresh versus Chitto. Score 5-2. Match is running. Why? Yes. What a game. What a shot by Chulbul. Yes, game is running. Narayanpur versus Gumas match. Afternoon match, first match. Yes. What a shots, what a takens. Game is running. 5-2. What a match. Players are playing well. Naranpur players and Gumas players. Good players. Match is running. What a match. Yes. This is Daba Volleyball from Parlok MD Grounds. Score 5-2. Naranpur points 5. And Gumas 2. What a shots, what a takens. Game is running. Weather is good. Game is good. Yes. I ask you one question. Who is impact player? Naranpur versus Gumas. Game is running. Yes. What a technique. What a placement. Game is running. Who is take the point? Please see. Please watch this match. Naranpur versus Gumas match. What a long time. Yes. Good shots. Good takens. Two team players are playing as well. What a playing players. Yes. Yes. Match is running. Yes. This is Daba Volleyball from Parlok MD Grounds. Five 2. Naranpur points 5. Gumas 2. Naranpur versus Gumas match. Yes. What a game. Match is running. Afternoon match. First match. Naranpur versus Gumas match. Yes. A long time. Yes. What a shot by Mohan. What a game. Match is running.